Hey YouTubers, this is Cameron, and
So man,
that's Anthony, and we have this whole, our mother and her friend and aunt are working out, and they're making the oddest noises. Let's check it out.
Hold on. Keep it tight. There's 3 more. And 3. Crank it over. 2. 1 more. Right here. And 1. Beautiful. Come to the knee for 5 seconds. In 5. And 4. And 3. Deep breath. And apple. On the elbows. Beautiful. Here we go. Ready? Take it up. And 1. And down. Good. Nice and strong. Keep it in motion. The quarters. Abs are tight. Totally straight. Core. Beautiful. No more. It's not a little crazy. Around. How does that now? Oh, it's brilliant. This is love. Yeah. Nothing to love. 1 more. Right here. Take it up.
That's all I'm gonna show.